Well, we're located in Seattle,
Dallas,
Miami,
San Francisco,
Tucson,
New York,
Sydney,
Minneapolis,
Phoenix,
Chicago.
Hong Kong.
Opportunities for time savings are significantly better with private jet travel.
What charter is to me is an opportunity for people to travel at their own leisure, their own schedule, and their own privacy.
They demand a certain level of service, and I think that is where Solairus shines, and that's the type of service I think everyone here strives to provide.
Solairus has a goal to maintain excellence in every phase of the flight. What that means to me is from the very beginning of having a conversation with the client, that they understand the professionalism, the experience, and the values that Solairus offers.
People of this caliber chartering aircraft, they want to have one go-to person that they can talk to, they can make their request one time, and a change happens.
You've got one source, one place to go to take care of all your charter needs. If we don't have the aircraft someone needs, we can get it.
We have a great group of people, and we have some great clients, and we've increased in the last year or two.
There are two industry standards. One of them is Argus, and the Platinum rating is the highest rating they offer. Solairus achieved that in August of 2009. And the other is BAO. Solairus received the first and only zero discrepancy audit they've done, and we were awarded as BAO certification in February of 2010. Solairus has staff members that can put trips together in as little as 2 hours. So the crew can be at the airplane fueled, the flight plan ready, ground services prepared for you, limousines, catering, 2 hours or less.
I think that Solairus and our focus on people, because relationships are so important in this business, our focus on relationships and our focus on the people that deliver that service is critical. And I think that's going to be, where we go in the future as a company, is we're going to further develop those relationships with our clients.